What's down with your YouTube? Man, y'all see what it is. These Canary Travis Scott joint one of those on deck. One more game, but this is from a new crosswater plug. So if y'all want to know that info, you got post me on that IG, super_duper_rooper. I get you right, keep it right on that info. But hey, y'all know I don't make the news. I just report it. I'm gonna let y'all see how these bitches came around there. But they came, yeah, on everything except for one damn thing around that bitch. But I'll go over there. But anyway, man, y'all know how I go, man. First off, let me drop that like button if y'all fuss with your boy. So if y'all don't, go ahead and hit that dislike and get the full screen like that. Man, shout out to everybody that's fucking your boy. Fuck you haters with sick dick, no rubber shit. Y'all already know how it goes. Shit, hey, versus for sale around there, be no merch and no motherfucking shoes. Like I said about the shoes, shit, y'all wanna know where them come from? Y'all plus me on that IG, super_duper_rooper, and that bit will be in the description. But anyway, let's get to the shoes. Bow, y'all see the box, know how the box come. You know what I'm saying? Wasn't nothing really wrong with the box. They did Gucci on the box, whatnot, bow. Women that I joined one low, blah, Canary, razor blue, like silver shit. Size 11.5, which is not my size. Y'all already know shit. I had nothing for sale. I repeat, I have nothing for sale except for the motherfucking verses around this bit. No squans on the bottom. That 11.5 is the women's. Oh shit, you goddamn it, shit. That goes shit. Hey, like I said, y'all wanna know who they from? You know what I'm talking about? Fuck me on that, goddamn me. On that motherfucker IG, super_duper_rooper. You got the pink paper, your white paper. You know what I'm saying? And bow, there they go with that there. On that issue. Now, they were done with the box. Let's get to the shoes. Now, like I said, the one thing that ain't come right with these son of bitches, like shit. And I told Shawty that too, like Shawty. They got the extra laces in this bitch, the red, you know what I'm saying, the blue, and they waxed, you know what I'm saying, they good to go, you feel me, like the quality in there, just like the yellow ones, they good to go, all on wax, but they ain't supposed to be attached to this shoe in these damn bags and shit, they supposed to be in little brown cardboard boxes. That's for y'all that's, you know what I'm saying, like, I want my presentation, everything, blah, blah, blah. But if you rocking these hoes, like how I rock my hoes, shit, you don't give a fuck where the laces come at, nigga, you gonna slap them blue ones in there and shit, you gonna get on to it, but anyway, to the motherfucking shoes. Let's get to the shoes. Start out with, is these bitches Ford motherfucking tough? Yes, the fuck they is. Built Ford tough. Y'all see the shape on there. Good the motherfucking go. The materials on these hoes. Bow, good the motherfucking go. It is that, you know what I'm saying, that square. I don't be wanting to touch these hoes too much because my swap always fucking, you know what I'm saying, fuck them up. But yeah, do color change, you know what I'm saying? Got the little scrote, the back and forth. The goddamn me, the velvet is the velvet in the shit. It's doing what it do. The leather they use on here, shit, hey. Good leather, like the other guy that me Travis. They use good leather on side panel and the swoosh shit, not just the swoosh shit. They just side panel on that whole goddamn me in there like swimwear too shit. Like I said, I love a gun bottom on the shoe. If y'all know me, shit, y'all know I love a gun bottom too. So I mean, hey, I seen these. I'm like, shit, nigga, them the best Travis that it came with early on in the game, and I still stand on there because like, hey, blue and yellow is my favorite color combo. Only thing they could have made these bitches better is like had a blue reverse. Blue square with a yellow and then a yellow swoosh with, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, wow, somebody need to customize them hoes because that's what I did. But yeah, leather good on these summer bitches all the way around. Like, I mean, shit, they in there. Shit, they did good with the materials on these hoes. The build, like shit, cause like, hey, man, some shits, they just knocked the fuck on out the pot. But I see the cat is loaded on the side right there. Knock it out on the tongue and shit, good to go. I mean, like I always say, cuz I always spend your bread how you want to spend it. Shit, I spend mine how I want to spend. I tried to fuck not to. Damn, got a little, that little mark, little pencil mark on there right there, making sure they shit lined up. Got a little pencil mark right there, like shit, like, but I mean, you know what I'm saying? You see how my motherfucking military blue falls came from snipes around there, bitch. I had to take bite, cause nigga, I rocked with the cross the water. What they at? Nigga, they one of these motherfucking boxes. But I went with the cross water pair of them motherfuckers. But yeah, like I said about the materials earlier, like I said, that shit all good, doing what it do. And I don't even want to touch that bit too much. You can see it better, see what I'm saying? Niggas oils and shit on the fingers and hands. But yeah, it's doing what it all supposed to do around that bit. They gonna pull these insoles out. I feel let y'all see the little side and tech info. Bow, side and tech info. That be 11/1/23 to 12/26/23. Line XC, little blam, QR, all that good shit made in China. Hetchin fabric and sheen and shit. Yeah, all that. Insole pulled out. Damn, that bitch stuck up at the top, ain't it? Shit. Bitch, get your ass up out of there. Bow, insole pulled out. You see your little shit on the bike. Shit on the front. Your Travis Scott, Nike Air, sick face. You know what I'm saying? Other one, got the Jumpman, Cactus Jack, bow. You know what I'm saying? Wings up there at the top. You You said, let's look at the shoe with the insole pulled out around that bit. Now, I do know they got at least, about 4 or 5 versions of these motherfuckers. Now, which version is this version? Shit, nigga, the version from the people that I told y'all, you feel me? Like, shit, nigga, I don't know if it's, GT, LN, OGX, all that, man. Look, nigga, it's the one that them folks getting, that they sending. Shit, this the one that they sending. Okay, I'm about to say, shit, nigga, I don't see no holes in this motherfucker, the insole pulled out. Yeah, no holes in that motherfucker, just the damn, that white bottom shit right there, the damn extra laces and shit, you know what I'm saying, taped down. Y'all see that little stitchings going around that bit, bow. You ain't gotta worry about your soul falling off on you and shit, and I mean, hell, nigga, there we go with the motherfucking shoes. Another pair of quality, you know what I'm saying? Good looking. Yeah to the motherfucking gas from cross the motherfucking wall around that bitch. Like I stated earlier, cuz y'all know where he came from. Folks me on that IG. Super_duper_roop. I'll get you right, keep you right, and shit. Till the next motherfucking time. Smoke some, bitch.